Okay, so today's project is a little bit different. So right here, this is my sort of home theater PC on my bed. And basically, I've been having a couple first world problems I plan on solving today. Right now I'm streaming a video at 60 FPS, 1080p, and this is not a good clip to show because usually, it happens mostly with Netflix. You can kind of see it here, right? There's a bit of choppiness, and there's screen tearing now and then, just like that. You could probably see that is definitely not 60 FPS. But yeah, I will load up Netflix, which is the main offender here, and sort of demonstrate that. So let's just load up some British baking show here. So right here, great example. I probably just missed it. No, you can see that right there. So it's very slow, video is very choppy, and there's lots of screen tearing that you can't really see probably in the video, but it's definitely happening. And this is just, you know, streaming 1080p video. It's not a network issue, it's basically, you know what, I'll show you guys. Let me just pull this out for you guys to see here. Nice and dusty. Okay, so, here my HTPC. So, on the inside, we've got it's an Optiplex 760, so pretty standard stuff. I think. Oh, I don't even remember. That's where my HyperX RAM went. God damn it! Gotta change the focus here. Nice. All right. So basically, what we've got here, pretty standard hardware. Comes with this ATI. Graphics card with the weird DVI splitter. I forgot what that connector's called. Can't remember off the top of my head. I knew it like last week, I swear. It's got a nice gigabit NIC in there. And an old WinTV card that I never got working, because my original plan for this computer, right, was, if you look over here. Okay, so right over here, next to my bed, is my sort of console gaming station that I don't use as much as I would like. Yes, these speakers are 100% ridiculous for this kind of setup, and I'm just using a large Dell monitor here with this crazy mixer in the middle. Mainly because I like Morrowind being really fucking loud so I can jam out to the intro music. But mainly, well, there used to be a TV here, but that's a different story. I was gonna do a video about it, but it really wasn't worth it. Well, I've got my candy canes too. But anyways, what I wanted to do originally, right, was have probably just the Xbox. It's an original Xbox and a PlayStation 2 hooked up to a breakout box that sends signal to that. And what I originally wanted to do was have the Xbox hooked up to this here WinTV card. And the WinTV card takes signal inputs and outputs it through your monitor, basically. That's how it works in theory. So that you can watch TV on your computer, like with a straight-up cable signal. I'll try and show you guys the I/O back here. And it's got the RCA inputs, it's got S-video and cable in, cable out. And yeah, and there's my network NIC, and there's the graphics card we're looking at in question today. But yeah, this is just sort of a tangent, but that was the plan for the WinTV card. I don't need that in there anymore, so I'm probably going to swap that out. So, let's go ahead and, nice 1.5" USB extension there. Let's go ahead and take off all this stuff. Yes, I'm using DVI because I do like that sweet 1080p. I like everything being all excessive and smooth. So basically, over here, this is what we're looking at here. This is the old Spacecast streaming PC. So if any of you guys are Apogee Industries fans, you ever watched the Spacecast, we used to live stream it on this. What I'm wanting to do is maybe take this card and put it in that machine, and that should help with any kind of screen tearing problems. Another thing is, this machine right here, it's an Optiplex 755, so not as good, but they're basically the exact same thing. I put a Xeon in this thing, so 4 cores as opposed to the 2. The Core 2 Duo E8400 in here only has 2 cores. So I might even transfer the Xeon from this to that machine, and I'm actually thinking I'm definitely going to do that because, yeah, why not? Oh, and with this machine I also have 2 hard drives, so I have the option to boot to either Windows 8 or, actually I upgraded it to 10, Windows 10 or Ubuntu, or Lubuntu. I think it's 14.04 LTS. Anyways, I'm getting very off topic in this video, I'm sorry. First things first, if I'm going to move the Xeon from that to that, I am fresh out thermal goop. So I'm going to have to go buy more of this stuff. And so I'm just going to run to Best Buy and pick up some thermal compounds so we can move that Xeon into this here socket. Yeah. Okay, so I went to Best Buy, bought some Thermaltake thermal compound, TG7. I guess it's good because it's Thermaltake, and my only other option was Insignia, and no thanks. So yeah, Thermaltake, whatever, it works. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to remove the CPU cooler, and then get that old E8400 in there, which is actually one of the really nice LGA 775 dual cores. But I'm going to remove that and then swap it out for the old Xeon. So here's the E8400 dual core. Nice LGA 775 chip. Let's put the Xeon in there. Here we are. Intel Xeon X3220. Quad-core LGA 775 chip. Look at all those transistors and crap on the bottom. Very nice. Love this thing. Sweet. Alright. Now, that was out of focus the whole time. Woo! I just put the Xeon back in there. I'm going to take some Thermaltake grease here. Oh, look at that. It comes with a little spready, smudgy thing. Let's take some of this grease. Now, LGA 775, it's a pretty small CPU. So, don't want to overdo it with the thermal grease. Ooh, that's probably good right there. Thermal grease, in case you guys don't know, is just a little pasty substance that helps transfer heat between the IHS, which is this metal bit here, and the bottom of the CPU cooler. So, yeah. Oh my god, I left it plugged in. Always unplug your monitor from your card before yanking it out of your computer. Makes it a whole lot easier. Fun fact. Here's a chance to get a better look at the graphics card we're going to be using here. So it's an XFX. It's an HD 7000 series, if I remember correctly. It's a HD 6670. 2 gigs of DDR3. And it's got HDMI and DisplayPort out as well as DVI, and I'm going to be using DVI on this machine. So yeah, it's a nice card. It's a little warmed up. But yeah, here it is, the old ATI Radeon. Don't know exactly what kind it is. Yeah, I'm going to have to look up the serial number to find out, but this is the old card that was in that machine. So let's slap a new one in there. There we go. Nice, right? What the hell? Fucking Explorer.exe. Quit your bullshit. Radeon. Okay, so I did the Windows installer for the drivers just earlier, and now I'm running the Radeon stuff just to make sure that everything is detected and installed properly, and I have all the working drivers so that I get the most that I can out of this card. So yes, good stuff happening here. Ah, Catalyst. Remember the days of AMD Catalyst control? Ah, simpler times. Okay, so I've got everything installed, all the drivers, and look at how crisp everything looks now. Just by adding in the new card and getting the drivers in. Gosh dang, everything looks nice. Steam still trying to fix itself, going nuts over there, but let's try Netflix now. And would you look at that? Absolutely no choppiness, no screen tearing. Very nice. What are they making right now? I have no idea. Anyways. Okay, so conclusion. Everything is working very well. There's no choppiness or stuttering in the video. I can stream at 1080p. I'm going to try a 60 FPS video actually real quick. So let's check out a video here at 1080p, 60 FPS. And full screen that bad boy. Nice, okay. Yeah, that is 1080p at 60 FPS. So yeah, thanks for checking out this video. Sorry if it was a little boring. I tried to make it at least a little exciting, but yeah, let me know what you thought of it, I guess. And I will see you guys next time.